Okay, I thought maybe you used to live somewhere else and now you are back in your hometown. Maybe I don't memorize it properly. Okay,
Yeah,
all
I
right.
used to live Rajasthan.
Yes, yes, exactly. That's what you told me, right? Yeah, that was the time I was referring to actually. Okay, all right. So, do you feel there is an importance of, scheduling your time, giving a little, a time period to everything, scheduling a time to every task you do in your day? Do you think there is an importance of task management or time management?
I do believe that time management is excellent thing. If we
Okay,
manage
okay.
our time, then we can save. We can do our work in time. We can also
Okay.
save time. And being a punctual, it's a gentleman thing.
Yeah, of course. It is okay. Being punctual is like, the best thing you can adapt in your life is that because you already have your day scheduled for you. You don't have to worry about a lot of things then. You don't have to worry about the things you might miss, the tasks you might, end up delaying or missing. So scheduling or time management is definitely a great thing. All right. So, would you like to adapt that in your life someday? Or it is,
Yeah,
I mean, I understand
I
it's
would
not,
like to adopt that thing.
yeah, yeah. I mean, I understand that it's not possible for you maybe in right now at some extent, but maybe in future. So yeah, you said you would like to. Okay. So tell me something. Are you a like very, active kind of a person or a tardy person?
Oh, I can't deny that I am a lazy person.
All right.
Sometime I skip my running work for another day by thinking that it's gonna be hard for me.
Okay. All right. Okay, so sometimes you actually delay your work, postpone your work. Okay, that is the right word you can use, postpone or delay your
Post.
work. Okay, so sometimes you do that. So you are a little bit tardy. Actually, all of us, I believe, are there is a little tardy person in all of us actually sometimes. So it's not bad, but you know, you should not really delay your works too much, your tasks too much, because you never know what is going to happen tomorrow. So yeah,
No, I
that
can't
is why.
do every time. I can't do every times because it's important also.
Of
To
course.
do.
Some tasks can't be postponed, right?
Can't.
Okay, so yeah, you were saying something?
Yeah, if I miss the watering of the plant, then plant will be harmed.
Of course, right.
So I can't delay that kind of things, but sometimes I delay some work that can be delayed.
All right. Okay. Okay. So tell me something. If you get a little more extra time for a day, let's say instead of 24 hours, 28 or 30 hours, or even 2 hours extra, what are you going to do? How you are going to utilize that time?
Mm, I would watch more informative videos, and
Okay.
I would like to do yoga,
All
exercise,
right. Okay.
because health is
Okay.
wealth. So
Of course, that's
I would
true.
like to utilize with
Time
doing this
your
kind of
time
thing.
in such a way. Okay, okay. So you want to you want to concentrate on your fitness. You want to have some fitness goals in life. You would like to concentrate on those goals. So right now you are not into exercises or yogas or anything. You don't get a
I am
chance
into
to do that.
exercise.
You are into it. Okay,
Mm.
okay, all right. So you think you lack that time. You need a little more time for that. You feel like that?
Yes, yes. Because when I go early in the morning, at that time, after coming home, I can't do yoga because already it is being like it is being 10 a.m. So I can't because it is time to take meal. So I can't do. But if I get more time, then I will do more exercise.
Okay, all right. So that is kind of your schedule that you come home by 10 and then you don't get enough time to exercise after that.
I go
Okay, and you
4:30. I go in at 4:30 and come
Morning
back
4:30?
morning 4:30 and
Okay, okay.
come 10 p.m. So it's
10
all
p.m.
10, no,
at night.
10 a.m. No, no, 10 a.m.
Okay, all right, all right. I thought that is
No, no.
I mean, a lot of time you spend over there. Okay, you come home by 10 a.m. All right. So you can just carry on your exercises after that. So you're an early riser by the way, right?
Yeah, maximum 6:30
All right. Okay.
according to need of work.
Okay. And you said that you would like to, spend more time watching videos. You like watching videos? Videos about what? Regarding what exactly?
I watch Camly videos, conversation videos to enhance
Oh,
my skill, and
okay.
also English movies, web series.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I remember suggesting you as well, right? I suggested you that you can, work on your English when you watch the English series. You watch with subtitles or without subtitles?
No, I without subtitle.
Without subtitles. Okay, and you are able to understand those videos, those movies?
Not completely, but maybe 50%.
Okay, okay. That is why I suggested, no, that in start, it's not like you shouldn't watch with subtitles. In start, it's definitely okay to, start with having subtitles, and then you can switch to having without subtitles. For some time, let's say for a month or 2 months, if you feel comfortable, then go with the subtitles. Then you will get habitual to, understanding their pace of language. Then you can switch to without subtitles. So that would be more easy to you. Okay. And you went through the vocabulary part. It's really easy for today, I believe. The words are really very simple, basic, I guess, right? So time, there's a word time management, which I already discussed with you. You already told me about basically the time management, what exactly it is and everything. And you went through the word tardy person, what
Study.
exactly
Yeah,
it is.
lazy. Who is lazy? Denying
Someone
his
who,
work and too late.
yes. And you said you are a little bit of a tardy person, right? All right, that is okay. And the other words are past, future, and present, which are very basic.
It's
I
very
hope you
common,
have,
common
basic knowledge
words.
about those words. Past is something which already has happened in our life. Present is whatever is happening right now, and future is what is going to happen. So those are very basic ones. All right. So do you have anything in your mind that you would like to discuss with me, or you want to talk about, or ask something about me, or anything in general?